Another 7 days and I got it. Okay, so he's turning 2 in next 7 days. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vidya, and in my today's video I'm going to tell you something really special which I wanted to buy for Dhruv when he turns 2. So he's turning 2 in 7 days, and we have got this gift, and this have been gifted by his grandparents. Yes, it have been gifted by my parents, and I'm going to show you what it is and how it can be used. And in my today's video I have a special guest over here. Okay, so I'll tell you what's happening over here. Yesterday we watched an action movie, and after that he's been copying. He's just copying the hero. He's just going, he's trying to punch, and then he falls. Keep watching. Mom life.
Hi, I'm Vidya Shashank, a blogger and mommy of two. Welcome to my channel.
So I'm going to tell you about this table and chair which I thought that when Dhruv will be 2 years old I'm going to invest on a really good table and chair for him. And I always wanted something which is not very heavy, but at the same time it's very durable and it looks good, and I wanted something which is in white color. So I've been checking a lot of websites, but I've never got what I really wanted to until and unless I came to this website called IKEA. So which most of you guys will be knowing, IKEA sources products from all across the world, and they have some really good collection of stuffs. And when it comes to the furnitures, I really love the furnitures by IKEA, but I have never got the chance to buy it, and I never knew how to buy it because the store, IKEA have set up their store in Hyderabad, and they do not deliver directly to my place, that is I'm staying in Bangalore, so they don't source it directly to Bangalore. Very sweet person who helps to send across the products from IKEA to different parts of the city. Now this small brand that have come up, it's known as IKEA to Home. So what they do is that if you want to buy something from IKEA, all you need to do is you have to go and select the shop as so you need to select the shop as Hyderabad, and once you select the shop as Hyderabad, the next thing which you need to do is you have to go and just fill your cart. So whatever things you need, how much ever quantity you require, you fill it in the cart, and then you have to save the cart as a as a PDF, and you need to send it to her via WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is through which she was connecting with me. And when you send it to her, she will check how much will be the conveyance fee and the delivery charges and stuff like that. So there'll be a very small amount which will be added to the entire cost of the cart, and she will give you the payment details. You can make the payment. So in the very next possible day, they go and they shop for all these things, they pack it very securely, and they send it to your place. So I got it within like 4 to 5 days, and this have been come packed, this stuff, and I'm like very happy about it. So I have ordered for, dad have ordered for a table, a stool and a chair. Now I thought of ordering two chairs, two stools, because I felt stools are very cute, but then felt that okay, let's try for one stool and one chair. So I've ordered for a chair and a stool. So let me tell about what kind of material it is. Now this one, I'll put the link in my description box. You can go and check it out. Now this one is from a brand called Mammoth, and they have a good collection of things for your kids, furnitures for your kids. So they have table, they have chair, they have stools, like that. So whichever you want, you can buy accordingly. But you know about IKEA, that when IKEA is sending something, they send it in a in pieces. You need to assemble it. So now I'm going to open up this one. We are too excited about it. Dhruv is very excited. He's just playing in the background. He's super excited about this one because he don't know what it is, but I know what it is. So we are going to like fix it. and I'm just towards the end of this video, just count the number of times that he have jumped. Keep watching. Okay, so keep watching and I'm going to show you how you can assemble this.